Introducing the 24K Gold Rose, a timeless and elegant gift perfect for the special women in your life. This real rose is carefully preserved and dipped in 24K gold, symbolizing everlasting love and beauty. The vibrant red petals and shimmering gold trim create a stunning display, making it a heartfelt gift for Valentine's Day, Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, or any meaningful occasion. Complete with a crystal stand, this luxurious rose is designed for long-lasting beauty and can be proudly heartfelt and creative gift perfect for couples, families, and loved ones. This easy-to-use kit lets you create a stunning, lifelike hand mold, capturing every detail for a lasting memory. Whether you're celebrating Valentine's Day, an anniversary, a wedding, or an engagement, this kit is a meaningful way to cherish your bond. It's also a great bridal shower or family gift, allowing parents and kids to create a keepsake together. With high-quality molding materials and step-by-step instructions. Steamer's Aromatherapy Set, the perfect self-care gift for women and men alike. Infused with organic essential oils, these shower bombs release soothing aromas that help relax the mind, relieve stress, and rejuvenate your senses. Whether you need a morning energy boost or a calming nighttime routine, each steamer is designed to enhance your well-being, ideal for birthday gifts, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or just because. This luxurious set makes a thoughtful present for women, moms, wives, GI.
Give your eyes the care they deserve with the Grey Stella award-winning under-eye mask, a must-have for reducing dark circles, puffiness, eye bags, and fine lines. Infused with skin-loving ingredients, these vegan under-eye patches provide a refreshing, spa-like experience, leaving your skin hydrated and revitalized. Perfect as a Valentine's Day gift, birthday gift, or self-care treat, this 24-pair set is ideal for moms, wives, girlfriends, or anyone who loves skincare. Whether you're prep pin, make date nights exciting with this romantic couple scratch-off card game, a fun and adventurous way to create unforgettable memories with your partner. Each scratch-off card reveals a unique and creative date idea, adding an element of surprise and spontaneity to your relationship. Perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, birthdays, engagements, or just because. This game is a thoughtful and interactive gift for boyfriends, girlfriends, wives, and husbands. Whether you're looking for cozy